Hey guys, welcome to your third Blogs for Students tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to look at how to customize our theme and make it look a little bit more interesting. So we can see this is the theme that we chose last time. It's got nice sort of blue and orange colors going on there, but we might want to change that a little bit. So if we go to our dashboard, and then what we'll do is we'll just select appearance again. And then we can see this is our theme here. These are some other options there that we haven't chosen. This is the one that we were working with, so if we just click Customise, and this will take us to a nice easy screen where we can play around with the look of our blog quite easily, just within a matter of minutes. So the first thing that you might want to do is change the design by changing the fonts or the color palette. Unfortunately, if you want to do that, you're going to have to pay for it, so we will leave that and just do it manually. So we can change a couple of things. We can not everything, but we can change a couple of things. So for example, we can change the header color, so this bit here that says Steinbeck Project. If we didn't want that to be blue, we could just simply change it. So let's try purple, and then we might want to change the background color. So let's try orange, and that looks pretty disgusting. So let's see, put that back to default. I do want orange, so maybe if I change the header to orange, that will look a bit better. Maybe darken it up a little bit. Still not sure. Maybe red. Still not sure. Let's see. Let's go back to blue. If I go to default, and then maybe if I make the background orange and a bit lighter, let's put it about there. So you can basically play around with this for a while. I'm still not sure about that, so I'm just going to go back to default for now. But anyway, you can play around with it for a while and see what you come up with. So that's one thing you can do. The other thing that you can do is you can actually change the whole background image. So if you just click on where it says no image, and then you can go ahead and select a file from your computer, and then that will go behind the content. So let's just do that, and I'll show you what I mean. Let's just choose a random picture. So choose that one. Okay, and there you can see it's sort of tiled, so it's kind of repeated. So if you want just like one solid picture, the best thing to do is make sure that you've got quite a big picture that will take up all the space, or you could just have your little picture there in the corner, or I could move it to the right hand side if I wanted. Let's just move away and see what that looks like. Yeah, so if you want to put a picture in there, you can do, but I'm not going to bother with that. The other thing that you can do is you can change your front page, so when people come to your site, they will either see your latest posts, or they'll see a static page. So you might have a post page where you update with information every other day or every other week or whatever, or you could just have static website pages just with some information that never changes, like for example an about page would be quite good for that, or and say you wanted like an overview of your project, so you can have that as your front page if you want. So if you click on that, now usually with your theme you get an about page that comes with it. So if we just select that as our front page, there you go, you can see my about page is now my front page. Okay, so that's that. Next thing you can do is just change your title if you want. We've called it Steinbeck Project. Now I could change that to my Steinbeck Project if I wanted. Now you'll see that the name of your website is still going to be the same. It's still going to be steinbeckproject.wordpress.com, but in terms of what people read when they see it, you can alter it a little bit. You can also change the tagline. So let's see. Let's do great moments from of mice and men. Okay, and that's looks pretty good. You could also get rid of that header text altogether if you wanted, just by checking or unchecking the box there, but I don't really want to do that, so I'm going to keep it as it is. I think that looks pretty good, so I'm going to save that, and then if I go back and have a look at my website, there you go. So looking pretty good. So that's it for this tutorial. In our next tutorial we will start looking at how to add some content. We'll maybe do a proper about page, and then later on we'll look at getting some posts and photographs and videos and all that good stuff on there. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.